So you've just started out on your affiliate marketing journey. You are ready to get on that tarmac, take off, fly away, and then ultimately you're going to decide which island you're going to buy. However, in reality, most affiliates actually earn nothing. See, the major difference between most affiliates and those super affiliates is that they can tap into the right traffic at the right time. So in this video, I want to go over how to find the right traffic for the right offer and how to get those to convert for you. And if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to give you a couple of little hacks there that's going to help you really start on that journey the best way possible. Right now, I want to dive into two of the most essential parts of affiliate marketing. Number one is knowing what to sell, and number two is knowing where to get the traffic from. Right, so if you're just starting out, you're going to need to know where to find things to sell. Okay, right, so I'm going to give you a few good examples here of where to start, just because if you're a total beginner, you're going to get overwhelmed. First place, most obvious, is Amazon. You actually can become an affiliate of Amazon. So literally every single product or service that Amazon does has an affiliate program attached to it. In fact, did you know you can actually get paid every time someone takes a trial out for Prime Video, right? So not everybody uses Prime Video right now, so you can actually refer that to other people and make a commission. Pretty cool. But if you're really stuck, then what I would do is look on what you've already bought from Amazon, make some content videos about that, and then use your link to sell it. Next place to have a look at is ClickBank. Yes, I know a lot of people talk about ClickBank. There is a whole bunch of different places in the side of ClickBank itself to find products or services to sell in their marketplace. Another one you've got is JVZoo. Now this tends to be more software and courses. And so again, you can earn up to 100% commissions on the front end of some of these products and 50% going on. Chances are they're going to have some sort of sales funnel to it as well. So the average order value is actually going to work out pretty decent for you. So it's well worth trying that. In a similar way, Warrior Plus is exactly the same as well. So it's going to be software, it's going to be courses and all that good stuff. So if you have a look at both of those, then that will probably serve you quite well. And if you want to know what's going on, you can actually see when the launches are for new software. This is super important. If you want to get ahead of a product launch, then it's a good idea to do what we call launch jacking. So you can actually look at a product or service just about to come out, create some content, get some videos up online, review it, try it out yourself, and obviously as an affiliate, give people your affiliate links. Lastly is Keptera. Now this is going to be more software based. Ideally, you want to try and focus on something which is going to require the customer to pay monthly for, right? So we're talking about passive income through SaaS products, which is software as a service. Okay, so a lot of things on here will require the customer to keep being a customer by paying monthly, which is going to be great because once you've made the sale in the first instance, as long as they're a customer, you're going to keep getting paid. But what about traffic? Yes, traffic, eyeballs, people going to your link. That's what we're talking about. And I'm only really going to recommend two places to focus on right now. Number one is good old YouTube. You can't go wrong with YouTube. It's been around almost forever. It's going to be around almost forever. It is the second largest search engine in the world. And interestingly enough, some of your videos will actually get put onto Google as well. So you got those two bases covered. And the best way to do it, of course, is to add your affiliate links into the description. Highlight within your video that that's where the link is, right? So just as I might say, check the description for a link to X, Y, and Z. Okay, that's going to be simple, straightforward, and easy to do. Another one that's taken off recently is TikTok. Now you can put your link onto your TikTok profile so people can go ahead and click it. And I've seen tons of people reviewing products from Amazon and having what they call a link tree on their profile. So rather than just having one link, you can actually have that going out to a separate page with a ton of links on there. People can then go and pick the product or service that they want, press that button, and then they go to your affiliate link. Now, if you really want to kick off your affiliate marketing business, you need to start building your own assets up. So I would recommend using an email list. And I've actually given you a little bit of a hint on this one. I've created some videos here which has shown you a company called ActiveCampaign, which is an email automation software. So if you want to go ahead and check that, you can see exactly why you should use it in your business and how to use it and how to get it as well.